Welcome to Inspire Live classes. We are going to discuss about assignment 1 of 9th class maths. See the first question. If 3 is a 0 of the polynomial x square plus 2x minus a, find a. 0 of the polynomial means for what value of x, the value of the polynomial becomes 0. For what value of x, the value of the polynomial becomes 0. Let p of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus a. 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial means p of 3 is equal to 0. P of 3 is equal to 0. So substitute 3 here. 9 plus 6 minus a is equal to 0. This implies a is equal to 15. 0 of the polynomial. For what value of x, value of the polynomial becomes 0. That is 0 of the polynomial. Here they said that 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. P of x be polynomial, 3 is 0 of the polynomial means P of 3 is equal to 0. P of 3 is equal to 0. Now see the second question. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b, find the values of a and b. See, given f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. 0 is 0 of the polynomial. 0 is 0 of the polynomial. Therefore, f of 0 is equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to 0. 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. So, f of 0 is equal to 0. Substitute x plus 0. So, b is equal to 0. Now, 1 is also 0 of the polynomial. 1 is 0 of the polynomial. 1 is 0 of the polynomial means f of 1 is equal to 0. Don't think that here 0, that's why 0. Not like that. 0 of the polynomial, that's why f of 1 is equal to 0. Okay? F of 1 is equal to 0. Put in place of x1. So 2 minus 3 plus a plus b is equal to 0. Already we know that b is equal to 0. This implies minus 1 plus a is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. Now see the third one. Okay, divide the polynomial and verify the division algorithm. Right, see the third one. So, division process. First, arrange dividend and divisor in descending powers of x. Okay, first arrange dividend and divisor in descending powers of x. And if any term is missed, keep 0. And if any term is missed, keep 0. So, this is 2x power 4 minus 4x cube. Actually, here x square term not there. So 0x square minus 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. What is the procedure? First term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. Find out first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. So 2x power 4 by x, that is equal to 2x cube. Write here 2x cube and multiply 2x cube with x minus 1. 2x cube into x minus 1, 2x power 4 minus 2x cube, subtraction, change the sign of second expression. So this is minus 2x cube plus 0x square. Now this is the new dividend. So first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. First term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. Find minus 2x cube by x, that is minus 2 x square, that is minus 2x square. Minus 2x square into x minus 1. Minus 2x square into x minus 1. Minus 2x cube plus 2x square. Subtraction, change the sign of second expression. So this is minus 2x square minus 3x. Now this is the new dividend. So first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. Minus 2x square by x. So that is equal to minus 2x. Right here minus 2x. Minus 2x into x minus 1. So minus 2x square minus into minus plus 2x. Subtraction, change the sign of second expression. So this is minus 5x minus 1. Again first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. So minus 5, right here minus 5. Minus 5 into x minus 1. So minus 5x minus into minus plus 5. Subtraction, change the sign of second expression. So remainder is minus 6. Remainder is minus 6. Okay. So first arrange dividend and divisor in descending powers of x. Next first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. Find that value. Right here multiply with the divisor. Now subtraction. Again this is the new dividend. Find out first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. Write that value here. Multiply with x minus 1. Continue the process. Okay. Now remainder is, we got the remainder minus 6 and quotient 2x cube minus 2x square minus 2x minus 5. Check by division algorithm means dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Find divisor into quotient plus remainder. If it is dividend, our process is correct. Okay. Find, once wait. So what is the quotient? 2x cube minus 2x square minus 2x minus 5. This is the quotient. Okay. Into x minus 1. See how to check means 2x cube minus 2x square minus 2x minus 5 into x minus 1 minus 6. Find that value. Find that value. So that is equal to, so 2x power 4 minus 2x cube, next minus 2x cube, minus 2x square into x minus 2x cube, minus 2x square into minus 1 plus 2x square, next minus 2x into x minus 2x square, minus 2x into minus 1 plus 2x, next minus 2x into x minus 2x square, minus 2x into minus 1 plus, next minus 5 into x minus 5x and plus 5 minus 6. Okay, now simplify this one. 2x power 4 minus 4x cube, this is cancelled, plus 2x minus 5x, so minus 3x minus 1. Okay, this is dividend only. Once see the question, dividend. So division process correct only. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We got dividend only, so our division process is correct. That is the checking. Now see the fourth question. State the remainder theorem and find the remainder when x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4 is divided by x minus 2. See remainder theorem statement. Let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. When p of x is divided by linear polynomial x minus a, when p of x is divided by x minus a, remainder is p of a. Remainder is p of a. P of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. When p of x is divided by x minus a, remainder is p of a. Remainder is p of a. That is the remainder theorem. Now see the question. P of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4. P of x divided by x minus 2. What is the remainder? See, P of a remainder. What is a in that one? 0 of the divisor. What is the 0 of divisor? 2. So P of 2 is the remainder. P of 2 is the remainder. P of 2 is the remainder. So find out P of 2. So 8 minus 8 minus 10 plus 4. So that is equal to minus 6 is the answer. Minus 6 is the answer. X cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. When P of x is divided by x minus a, remainder is P of a. So here remainder is P of 2. Substitute 2 cube 8, 2 square 4 into 2 8. So minus 10 plus 4, minus 6 is the answer. Now see the fifth one. Check whether the polynomial is a multiple of 2y plus 1 or not. P of y is equal to 4y cube plus 4y square minus y minus 1. Check whether P of y is a multiple of 2y plus 1 or not. Nothing but 2y plus 1 exactly divides this one. So find the remainder. If it is 0, it is a multiple. Okay, find the remainder. P of y divided by 2y plus 1. What is the remainder? P of y divided by 2y plus 1. What is the remainder? What is the 0 of this polynomial? Minus 1 by 2. So remainder is P of minus 1 by 2. What is minus 1 by 2? 0 of the divisor. So P of minus 1 by 2 is remainder. Find out P of minus 1 by 2. If it is 0, then we can say that this is multiple of 2y plus 1. Find the remainder. If it is 0, then we can say that P of y is multiple of 2y plus 1. So P of minus 1 by 2, 4 into minus 1 by 8 plus 4 into minus 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 of minus, so plus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1, 0. Remainder 0. Therefore P of y is multiple of 2y plus 1. P of y is multiple of 2y plus 1. Okay.